So we are back with another video. This is Ecredable. So Ecredable is a trade line company that reports to all three major credit bureaus. So they report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and also Experian Business. They also report other bills like your virtual address and your business phone number. So we're going to get into that as the video goes on. But first, please subscribe because I'm going to give you guys more and more content about how to build business credit and also how to maintain it and the fastest way to build it. So let's just get straight into the video. So here is the Ecredable website. We're gonna go and we're gonna to join now. So you can use Ecredable for your personal or business, but right now we're talking about business, so we're gonna get straight into the business profile. In your personal information here, so this is where you put in your information. So this is the information you put for your business. So make sure you fill this out correctly. This is all of your business information. Make sure you have your EIN number handy. If you don't have an EIN number, make sure you check out one of my shorts, my videos. It shows you where to get it for free. So you cannot do this account or get this trade line without your EIN number. So put in your business name. It says please provide your personal information. So it says why do we need this? Let's click on why do we need this. We need your social security number to create your Ecredable credit file as well as to verify your identity. Okay. So this is my first time setting it up, so you guys getting it like raw footage. So bear with me, please. So what I did was I filled out my personal information, I filled out my business profile information, and now we're getting to the payment information. So it's $49.95 as a setup fee, and then it's $9.95 on a monthly basis. So every month that you pay for this is going to report that $49.95 every month. I'm going to complete the payment, and then I'm going to show you guys in the next screen what the dashboard and everything looks like. But it's very important that you set up your business properly. Like, make sure you have a business address, make sure you have a business phone number, make sure you have a business email address. Just make sure everything is set up properly, because that will determine if you qualify for credit or any type of lending, and also it could be the reason why you're getting denied for lending or any type of credit. If you have any problems or you want to know how to structure, I have other videos on my channel you can check out right after this. So I'm going to put in this information. So here is the landing page after you pay. It says, thank you for choosing Ecredable Small Business. It says, now let us start building your credit profile by linking as many of your accounts as possible. So when you are doing this, make sure you are paying for this with your business bank account. I should have mentioned that earlier, so hopefully you guys are just watching the video first and then going through the steps. But make sure you're using your business bank account. I have a video on my channel telling you which banks you should go with, but I have Novo for right now, just starting off, so check out that video. So we're gonna go and click start adding my accounts. This is what your dashboard looks like. So this shows you all of the accounts they report to. So Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian. This is Credit Safe, and this is Insomnia. So I don't have any accounts linked yet because I'm gonna have to go in there and manually do it, and I might make a short just to see what it looks like, but everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. But yeah, this is it. This was very easy. In about a month, I will make another like a follow-up video. But this was easy. Like this was really, really, really easy. Well, thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe to keep up with my latest videos and all the videos I'm about to drop. You guys gonna see literally the raw footage of how to build business credit because I feel like people don't explain it enough. Also, you is no minimum time you have to be in business in order to get this account. So this account is really, really good. Being able that they will report to all of these credit bureaus with, even if you started your LLC or your business entity 3 days ago, you can sign up for this account. Also, check out my other video about Nav Business Boost. They also report to all three. So Nav Business Boost and Ecredable is two trade lines that report to all three major credit bureaus, so you can hurry up and creating and building business credit. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. This is most likely my last video for the year. I'm excited. Please drop comments below on what videos you want me to do in the future, or if you have any questions about anything. I appreciate you guys. Happy New Year.